西加油 ，C 罗加油。哎 ，C 罗这个名字用英语怎么说？ Soccer in America, football in the rest of the world, but whatever you want to call it, the World Cup is the most watched sporting event in the world. And right now I have a little bit of the World Cup fever. USA, USA.
He can finish this argument. I think he has that.
Because this is an utter embarrassment. Get a draw towards a tie spot against Trinidad.
Oh wait, they didn't make it. No China either? Who am I going to support? Either way, I can still watch the games and enjoy. But for you guys, let's learn some football English so you'll be talking like you know everything about the game. So I'm gonna share with you guys my dream team starting 11. And I want you to hear how the Chinese pronunciation of a player's name can be much different than the English pronunciation of a player's name. The biggest difference will probably be the number of syllables. For example, Griezmann. In Chinese, it's 4, but in English, just 2. Griezmann, Griezmann. 那梅西和 C 罗他们的名字用英语怎么说? Let's find out. So in my dream team, I have 3 forwards. On the left wing,
Mr. Noodlehead himself, Neymar.
Up front at striker, I put Lionel Messi. Messi. And on the right wing, C 罗, Cristiano Ronaldo. Or we just usually say Ronaldo. In my opinion, he's the best player at the World Cup so far, and probably the best player in the world right now. There's so many other good forwards, so if I were to have a reserve bench, I would probably have the King of Egypt on there, Mohamed Salah. France's Antoine Griezmann. I also think Romelu Lukaku is a great striker, as well as Harry Kane and Sergio Aguero. Although unfortunately for Aguero and Messi, their World Cup hopes do not look bright. On to the midfield. A couple of my favorite players to watch, Philippe Coutinho, and from Denmark, Christian Eriksen, Paul Pogba, and Kevin De Bruyne. Okay, let's talk about defense. In English we say, the best offense is a good defense. On my team I only have 3 starting defenders. And in the middle, even though he might be the most hated player in the world, I think Sergio Ramos is one of the best center backs there is. For left back, I think Marcelo, who's from Brazil, is a great player. And at right back, Germany's Joshua Kimmich. Okay, how about keeper? Well, I think right now the best keeper in the world is Germany's Manuel Neuer. I was going to say David De Gea from Spain, but he made a pretty big error against Portugal, so...
Ronaldo!
Okay, so that's my dream team. If you agree or disagree, leave a comment below. But right now, let's learn 10 English football phrases that you can use to really impress your friends while you're watching the game together. What a save by the keeper! What a save by the keeper. Oh no, he's hit the woodwork. He's hit the woodwork. Wow, he's got a lot of pace. He's got a lot of pace. Oh, the goalkeeper made a howler. The goalkeeper made a howler. Ah, he's been booked. He's been booked. A red card. Oh no, he's been sent off. He's been sent off. Referee, are you blind? Referee, are you blind? Come on now, we've got to get a result. We've got to get a result. What a goal. He scored a screamer. He scored a screamer. Or, that was a screamer. Wow, he's world class. He's world class. Or, he's class. Okay guys, I hope those phrases can help you talk about the World Cup more. And leave me a message below telling me who you think will win the World Cup. My prediction, Brazil. Don't agree? Tell me why. Enjoy this year's World Cup. 我是麦克老师，下次再见。